LLM models plus swarm neural networks here. So essentially what I have here is a spreadsheet with data in it, and it's got errors in the data, right? There's blanks. So ID, name, amount, email, there's blanks in every single column. And then, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna hit this clean and optimize button here. And then it's gonna say that data is cleaned and optimized successfully. And then I hit OK. And then boom, we've got our data. And then, so I don't want it like, this is the first time it's done it on this video where it's put the prediction in. So I can have it remove it, right? But so we see Emily Davis, Michael Clark at example.com. We have our 300. And then so it's very easy. I'll just get it to, I will rewrite it after this to remove that prediction equals. But so you can see we have our data perfectly organized, like and as it should be, right? And then so with swarm algorithms alone, if I do this, it will find the blanks, but it will just like put in like data like this, like just like random garbage. And then same thing with the emails. Like it won't even actually put like an @ it would just put like random garbage like we're looking at there. But so what you can, if you look at the app script here, I'll show you here. Essentially, like it's exactly what I'm describing. So we have essentially a swarm neural network that's created, and then I'm calling in this instance GPT-4o Mini, and then your API key, put in your API key, and then this is the menu creation, asking you for the menu, and then it creates the function, the cleaning function, and then essentially, so what this does is it creates the swarm algorithm. The swarm algorithm goes through the spreadsheet and it says that there's blanks here. Hey, here's all of the blanks. And then it passes the blank information as well as the column ID information to the LLM model. So the LLM model gets to know where the blank is and what the name of the column is. And then the LLM model makes predictions based off of the blanks, the data that it receives, right? So it's making predictions based off of this. And then so it's just filling in this data and giving us actual good data as opposed to the garbage data that we have here. And I can just do it again, and I'll show you again just how it works. It works every single time. And then it's really easy to clean up and optimize the outputs of the LLM model. And all of this is very cheap to run. So here we have all of our predictions, and then same predictions, James Smith, 4, and Michael Clark. And then again, just really easy to clean up and remove that prediction equals. And then we have perfectly cleaned data. And then this is currently right now, I have this only available to me as an app script, but it runs directly within Google Sheets. And then I can make it publicly accessible to anyone. And yeah, so it's swarm algorithms plus LLM models, and then giving you and cleaning up your data just with the press of a button.